gambling. At first, it can feel a bit like getting behind the wheel of a new car. You're excited, confident, and in control. When you win, you feel on top of the world. There's nothing to worry about. So what's happening in your brain when you're gambling? The reward hub in your brain is like the gas pedal in your car. It gives the go signal to move towards what you want. The top-down control network is like the brakes in your car. It gives a signal to slow down or stop what you're doing. How you doing? Everything good? Addiction is like a communication problem between these gas and brake pedals. You keep pressing on the gas, but when it's time to stop, the brakes might not work. By the time you realize that gambling has become a problem, it can be difficult to stop. Gambling is now a habit. Habits are formed when brain activity shifts away from conscious control. You might feel like you're on autopilot. Once habit has taken over, you become very aware of gambling cues and triggers. Gambling isn't as fun, but you continue to do it to escape those uncomfortable urges caused by those triggers. As the consequences of your gambling get worse, so does your mood. At first, gambling has a positive effect on your mood, but in addiction, your natural mood set point drops. Over time, gambling becomes less pleasurable, and your set point lowers, even when you aren't gambling. It can lead to depression. Hey, are you worried about your gambling? This helped me, and it might help you. Have a look. The good news is that your brain is always changing, and you can reset your reward pathways. With help and support, you can stay motivated and develop a rich and meaningful life. For more information about the brain and problem gambling, visit brainconnections.ca. There is help, there is hope.